Kaltura Classroom is the lecture capture solution available in classrooms at Utah State University. Using Kaltura Classroom, one can record a lecture or event in a classroom and upload it to be viewed later in Canvas or MyMedia. To record a lecture or event, first open Kaltura Classroom on the classroom computer by double-clicking the desktop shortcut or pressing Start and typing Kaltura. Once open, and before starting a recording, select the video sources you would like to record and verify audio is working. Video sources may be changed by selecting the settings icon that appears next to the appropriate preview window, then selecting the desired source under the Input Source dropdown. Once set, click the Back button. Should you choose not to record a primary or secondary source, click the camera icon to disable it. Before starting a recording, ensure the microphone is on and audio is working by watching for moving levels on the audio indicator while speaking into the microphone. If the level does not move, try changing the audio input by selecting the audio settings icon, then selecting a different source under Input Source. Test each audio source until the microphone's audio is registered on the audio indicator. Note that video and audio settings cannot be changed after a recording has started. Ensure all adjustments are made before starting the recording. Once you are happy with your settings, click on the red Record button to start recording. Kaltura can then be minimized during the lecture or event. To pause a recording, simply press the Pause button. When ready to resume, press the Record button. To cancel and delete a recording, press the X, then confirm the action. To stop recording, press the Stop button, then ensure your A number is entered under username. Optional title, description, and tag fields are available if needed. Once your A number and any other information is entered, click Save. Kaltura will then upload your video to MyMedia, even if the recorder is closed and you log off the computer. If needed, Kaltura Classroom can be scheduled to record and automatically publish a recording. To schedule a recording, visit the following website. If you've scheduled a recording, open Kaltura Classroom before the scheduled recording begins, select the video you would like to record, and ensure audio is working. As with manual recordings, video and audio settings cannot be changed after the recording has started. To check the events a room is scheduled to record, click the calendar icon on the left side of Kaltura Classroom. 10 minutes before a scheduled recording, a countdown will appear indicating when the recording will begin. Once recording, a countdown will indicate how much time is left in the scheduled recording. If the event ends before the recording is scheduled to end, stop the recording by pressing the Stop button, then clicking Save. For more information about Kaltura Classroom and MyMedia at Utah State University, including how to publish a recording to a Canvas course, visit CITY's website.